Hey learners! If you've ever felt stuck with the same words that you know, or struggled to express your thoughts more precisely, this video is for you. I'm going to show you how you can significantly improve your English vocabulary by learning just one new word a day. Yes, just one. Follow this 5-step method for each word you learn. Firstly, find the meaning of the word. Look it up and understand it clearly. Use reliable dictionaries like Cambridge or Oxford. Then know how to pronounce the word. Listen to the correct pronunciation. Imitate it. Say it aloud. After that, read some sentences containing the word under consideration, and then create your own examples. That makes it stick. Now, discover the word family, that is, the word's part of speech. Learn the other forms of the word. If it's a noun, what's the verb form? The adjective form, and so on. Finally, look for the synonyms and antonyms of the word. This gives you options that you can use for the given word, and helps deepen your understanding. So that's your roadmap to mastering English vocabulary, one word at a time. It's simple. It's doable. And if you stay consistent, your vocabulary will grow more than you ever thought possible. Like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and let me know in the comments, what word will you learn today?